today. Look at that. We got hailstones. Hailstones in March. Well, well, well. I need to get my shoes. There you are. As you know me, I always have a special shoes for driving. John is driving me to work today, which is very generous of him offering. Nag-Hilson kasi kanina, that's why he said to me that I will drive you to work. I'm only for 2 hours today. And if you're wondering why I am doing 2 hours, every weekend kasi, we have this every other weekend that I have to work 2 hours, Saturday and Sunday, 2 hours each. And I told to my manager that I don't want to work long hours in the weekend because, you know, we got life. I got life as well. So, luckily, my manager did not give me a shift that a long hours in weekend.
Darling, you better get your car warmed up and move closer.
Don't give me that. You offer to drive.
See, a kind, loving, caring husband. roads are slightly dangerous this morning, so.
No, you're just being. No. You're just being generous because it's your birthday tomorrow. You want me to bake you a cake?
Oh yeah. Well, we're having coffee and walnut.
Yeah, well do. I need to get some walnut. We're off. We're off.
Somebody must have made a comment about us giving dogs burger, right?
Yeah, it says it's healthy because something like I read a comment earlier.
And then one woman says she gives her dog 4 burgers a day, and it's now 16 years old.
Yeah, it's like yeah, good job.
I wonder how fat that dog is.
Yeah, oh my gosh. Yeah, the road is wide, a bit wide.
Well, it's slowing a little.
Yeah, you see that?
Not good.
Not good. Thank you very much, honeybee. Much appreciated.
We'll see.
And then I'm walking back home.
Yeah, you're walking very slowly.
I'm walking back home. Oh no, please don't. So I am here. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I am home and I fancy having pineapple. Smells good.
Mimi's favourites.
No, it's your favorite. This is what I do. Pineapple, and then I got a salt here with me. Dip it in the salt. Just like mango. Mmm.
Kill a pineapple. I nearly died with pineapple once.
Why?
Because I took it. Salt?
Yeah, salt.
So bad for you that. I put it in my mouth and it had some kind of reaction. And my airways closed.
Yeah.
Couldn't breathe.
Mm-hmm.
I was going blue in the face. And then I suddenly managed to relax and then I come back to use again. And you're getting up in the morning, aren't you, early?
Huh?
You work tomorrow, aren't you?
Mm.
Can't even have a sleep in on my birthday. This is what I cook with, guys. Huh? Right. I need to put some of my work clothes on to wash as well. We'll do it in a bit. Just sort it out.
I am on my holiday tomorrow and he doesn't know, but we will wake him up early to sing a happy birthday. I know this is not healthy, but I miss the manga in the Philippines so much. So this is my craving satisfaction for the sour mango in the Philippines. There he is, busy shopping. There you are. We've been to his mom and we're done shopping. Ubos ang pera.
So we're going to Tesco then?
Yes, we're going to Tesco because I need some walnuts.
Need some pastas and stuff.
Yeah, and then
milk as well.
Yeah, I need icing sugar as well, and medium eggs. Oh, car. So we went to his mama to get John's card, birthday card.
Special card.
The special card, and he gave me a flower, and he gave us she gave us a what is that?
Date loaf.
Date loaf.
Yeah, date cake.
Date cake. So 2 of that. You happy now? You got your shopping done?
We got no date.
You got your shopping done?
I don't know what the surprises are yet.
Huh?
My surprises.
No, you don't have any surprises. Don't expect for any surprises. There's none. There's no surprises. There's nothing.
Really?
No, there's nothing.
Okay. Nothing.
I thought you said to me, what you want on your birthday. You just said you want me. That's what you said. So I did not get anything.
You tell me anything.
I did not get anything. Okay. So don't expect something on your birthday, because I got nothing. No, nothing, hon. He's fine.
You're not going to attack me?
No. No.
No attacking?
No, attack her.
Yeah.
I need to look a vase to put my flower away. There you are. This is the only vase we got, so no choice. And also, she gave me some daffodils. Now, I don't know where to put them. Well, look, some jars right here kasi nagsisave ako ng mga empty jars. Ilagay ko dito. Well, no choice. Kasi wala nang ibang vase eh. So, ilagay ko kayo dito, ha? Ilagay ko kayo dito. There you are. But I want to peel this off. DIY ba? There you are. Diba, sayang naman to pag itapon, no? I remember I was decluttering the house because there's a lot of jars and there's things to be thrown out. So, I have like 10 jar of this. Seriously, it's like, oh my god, what I have done. Oh. Not bad for a simple jar. Ay, ay, ay. Dahon everywhere. So, before ako magbe-bake, kakain muna kami because yung oras dito is 10 to 5 na ng hapon. So, I will eat first. Then, I will take you with me for my baking skills. Charot, baking skills. So, when we went to... Oh, I don't know if I've said this to you, but we went to Tesco after we went to my mother-in-law. So, we went to Tesco and get some ingredients for my coffee and walnut cake. So, ito na siya. And some flour right here. So, hopefully, successful to because this is my first ever making coffee and walnut cake. Seriously, that's my first time ever. So, good luck to me. No pressure.